Hello. Here's my detailed thing I was going to show you guys. Look at that. Right? That is awful. Look at that. And there's the wall you guys want to see. Look at that too. That is awful. That's amazing. Like, it looks like it got drilled or something. And then if you look right there, clean right through. That's amazing. Yeah, everything else seems just fine. Just the broken valve stem and piston. Oh, and I'll also show you how I found it. That's how I found it. It's not right. That's on that hole that I found it on. So the first blow, second blow. That's how you kill an engine in 2 blows. And I got this in scrap bin. See with this new thing here, so I'm gonna keep this. Isn't that amazing? Well, you guys have a great, nice weekend. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at those chunks in there. It's awful. Yeah. Okay, so have a great weekend, and I'll keep you guys updated on me cleaning that. Thanks. Have a great weekend. Bye.